If you're someone who works outdoors regularly, then you may often be exposed to pests like mosquitoes, ticks, and mites. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution to stop these pests from biting, then check out Green Armor Insect Repellent. This product is a permethrin-based insecticide that will kill mosquitoes and other pests that make contact with your clothes for up to 6 weeks, even after washing your clothes in the laundry. Green Armor Insect Repellent is ready to use with no other application tools necessary. When using Green Armor Insect Repellent, make applications outdoors only. Do not use this product indoors. Lay your clothing or gear onto a flat surface and hold the spray bottle about 6 to 8 inches above the clothing. Pull the trigger to spray and use a sweeping motion to ensure the entire surface of the fabric is treated. Treat the front, back, and sides of the outfit, then allow the product to dry for at least 2 hours. When applying, it's important to concentrate on areas where pests may seek to enter through your clothing, like around the bottoms of pants or around the shirt collar. Labeled pests that make contact with your treated clothing will have their nervous systems impacted and die. Use Green Armor Insect Repellent on the exteriors of clothes, shoes, parkas, gear like tents, tent footprints, sleeping bags, backpacks, bed netting, mosquito nets, and camping lounges. Do not apply this product directly to skin. Do not use this product on cats. Green Armor Insect Repellent is labeled to kill and repel mosquitoes, chiggers, mites, and ticks, including deer ticks that carry Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Clothes treated with Green Armor Insect Repellent are safe to wear and harmless to children or pets when the product is used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling any pest control product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.